Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are staying at Florence Marina State Park in Georgia.
Yes, South Georgia.
And while exploring, we came across Rood Creek
Recreation area.
And our curiosity got the best of us, so we thought we'd come down here and check it out. And it is free camping.
Free camping
here in Georgia.
Here in southern Georgia.
Right here on this beautiful body of water.
Which this is, I'm assuming this is Rood Creek. I may have to correct myself here, but it probably flows into the Chattahoochee River.
I think so. Or this is an inlet from the Chattahoochee River, and somewhere up here Rood Creek flows into it. It is Army Corps of Engineer campground.
It is maintained. It's beautiful.
Very well maintained by the Corps.
The section we're in now is just going to be tent camping, but we drove through. There's not many sites here, so you know, don't make a long trip down here expecting to get a spot. But up there was more, you know, your van camping, your small camper camping. I have not seen water hookups. Of course, there's no electric.
I don't think there are any.
I don't think there's anything here, so you'll have to bring everything to be prepared for camping.
But it's free, and it's beautiful.
Right on this river. I'm sure there's fishing. There's probably good fishing. But there is, I think, I'm looking around. The camping area is a loop. There's a loop for the camping. And then on the other side, it's basically a day use area, I think. So we haven't explored the day use area yet, but we'll go look at that.
Coming in is really sketchy.
It's about a mile and a half in.
Yeah.
It's a dirt road, sand road.
Yeah.
So very washboard, rough.
So my hopes wasn't too high, but when I got down here, I was very pleasantly surprised with this little campground.
This is beautiful.
So if you're in Georgia and looking for free camping, this is a place to check out for sure.
Rood Creek, R-O-O-D Creek Recreation Area.
So let's go do some exploring.
This is probably more tent camping. Wow, cute. One possible downside here at Rood Creek is alligators may be present. I know they're right up the road at Florence Marina where we're staying. But we have pit toilets here. I'm gonna take a glance in. Hello? Not bad. No toilet paper. Make sure you bring some toilet paper. They do have a boat ramp here at Rood Creek, and it is a $5 boat launch.
And there are about 20 large parking spaces for trucks with their boat trailers.
The waters are within the boundary of Eufaula National Wildlife Refuge. Okay. Waterfowl hunting prohibited. Wow. That's a great boat ramp.
Wow, guys, this is really impressive. This is probably the most beautiful free camping that we've ever came across in our short time of camping.
Yeah. I wouldn't. It wouldn't bother me one bit to stay here. It looks really nice.
Again, at the very beginning, it looked a little sketchy coming in here, but it looks like a completely safe and well-managed area.
Yep.
So if you happen to be down here in Georgia, you definitely need to check this place out, especially
Right.
if you're looking for some free camping.
And give us a thumbs up or make a comment if you decide you want to come visit Rood Creek Recreation Area.